miles and you want to cook up some brats real quick or some hamburgers or whatever you might want. As Chris Darnell, second generation speed driver from the Darnell family of Springfield, Missouri, does a little disappearing act, creating his own weather pattern, a little bit of cumulus clouds, some lightning, and some thunder, all in the same pass. Well, I have to brag a little bit to you about riding in a jet car up the Portland Rose Festival and show. I got the opportunity to ride shotgun in one of these jet-powered cars, and I did not turn them down. It was nothing that you could possibly describe. It was nothing that I thought it would be. It was more surprises than I was ready for. And when we got into the race environment, I was covered in a fireproof suit like Chris Darnell is. Fireproof boots over my little booties over my shoes and a helmet, and accelerating to well over 300 miles per hour. With a jet afterburner. Out comes the drogue chute. You are slammed forward to 9 times the force of gravity. And you see the end of the runway coming up. It all happens in a flash. Time doesn't slow down when you're scared. It speeds up.
Which he's doing now, diving down at 180 miles an hour. Here comes Kirk Wicker in the Super Stearman, and they are off. Oh, a big advantage by Kirk Wicker. Even though he's coming through at maximum speed, it still can't get as fast. Let's see if we got enough run. Yeah, almost a draw. How about that? Oh my goodness.
He's closing in. All right, there's the drogue chute. I promised, as the brakes do not even come into effect or not even considered till about 85 or 90